The reason behind doing this art show for Northlands College is that I was a Indigenous Studies instructor for 4 years upstairs at the university programs. And every year we did an art show with my Indigenous Studies students. And so this year I'm actually in a new role. I'm a director of Indigenous Initiatives. And so I'm no longer teaching. However, I still wanted to do this artwork. So I'm with, in cahoots, I guess, with the Ronge Arts Council. And I asked them for a month and asked if we could put it for Northlands College. And she said, yes, go ahead. And so I reached out to all of Northlands College, Northside, and then all the students, learners from the River Campus, the Canoe Campus, and the Raw Campus, and went out the staff as well. So you will see learners and staff artwork here.
These are residential schools.
Okay.
So when I was only 7, I went to residential school. So from the time that we got there, we were silenced, and our hair was cut. Yeah. And as long as the sun is set and the sun is rising, that we are silent. And the white lines are colonialism. It's white patriarchy. It's in there. It's infused. So that looks like this is the river. This is the land. And then the black, right? The black is that silence and that government coming in, a dark period. And then these are the rivers, and it's the 3 different layers. But if you count how many steps, it's 7 generations, because we had 7 generations of residential school, and the prophecy is that it will be the next 7 generations that will heal.